Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when charge is above 19%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.